Let's start by exploring PowerBins in DaVinci Resolve. Think of PowerBins as your personal collection of commonly used stuff, like clips, effects, and transitions. Whenever you begin a new project, PowerBins make it super simple to organize and easily find your favorite things with just a few clicks. Alright, so now let me show you how you activate your PowerBins in DaVinci Resolve. So you go to the edit page, and up here you want to open the media pool. So I already did this. Open the media pool. Then you go to the three dots on the right, and there you see show PowerBins. So you're gonna activate your PowerBins. Alright, so I already imported some sound effects in my media pool master. So let's say I am using these sound effects every single time for my new project, but I don't want to import them every single time again and again. No, I just want to open a project and I want to have them in my PowerBin. You grab them and you just put them in the master of your PowerBins, and if you click on master, now you see that art list is saved in the PowerBins. But you can also create your own bins in the PowerBins. So click on your right, create a new bin, sound effect, and then you can double click on it. You can import your media two different ways. Just click on your right and say import media, and then you're gonna double click on it. But you can also open it up in your folder on your computer and then just simply grab the sound that you want and import them into your sound effects. And right up here you see you imported all these sound effects. So let's restart DaVinci and let's see what we saved in our PowerBins. So I created a new project, go to the edit page, and right up here you remember, boom, we imported these sound effects. But what can you do more? So let's say if you want to create a title, really easy title that you use all the time, you just import your title, PowerBin, whatever, just for an example. And you can drag this title into your PowerBin. So let's go to our masters, click on your right, make a new bin, name it title, and you can drag it from the timeline into your bin. And now every single time you're gonna open a new project, you have this title saved in your title bin from the PowerBins. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, another cool thing that you can save in your PowerBins are effects. Let's create a really simple effect. You go to your effects up here, you type in adjustment layer, and here you see an adjustment clip. You grab this adjustment clip, put it above your video clip, and right up here, let's say we want to do a small zoom in. We're gonna select the adjustment clip, make a key point right up here. We zoom it in until right up here. Make a key point and until something like this. Just a really easy effect. You see, we just zoomed it in. Let's say you want to save this effect. You go to your media pool and you go to your PowerBins. You go to your master and you make a new bin, effects, boom, and you double click on it and you can grab this adjustment layer from the timeline and you imported it to your effects. So let's say we started up a new project and right up here you see you create that effect, you grab it from the PowerBin, put it over the video clip, and now boom, you created this really cool zoom in effect. Remember, practice to make it perfect and start to build your own PowerBins. Good luck with it today, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see in the next video and I'm gonna check you out. Bye bye!